Hello friends, I am Dr. Sadeep. In my channel I will be uploading videos concerning practical aspects of homeopathy and how to practice homeopathy in a classical way. In this series I have already done so many videos. Friends, if you are interested in these type of subjects, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Today's topic is bargaining. So what are the medicines, what are the type of people who bargain whenever they approach a doctor? So it is one of the important rubric in our repertory. So there are only few medicines for this bargain. There are around four medicines for bargain. First is bryonia, pulsatilla, silicea and sulfur. How this quality of bargain comes into them, how they starts bargaining, negotiating with the doctor, and what are the types of words they will use during bargain. We will see one by one how the things will be pictured about this bargain, friends. Bryonia. So if you come to bryonia is basically a anti-soric medicine. So anti-soric quality is in itself has the bargaining quality in them. Due to that reason, that miasmatic background is one of the strong feature in which the patient always tries to negotiate the price, the service, and he also asks for the surety of cure. So this is all about this bryonia. What he will ask for, he will be asking, doctor, is this disease will be cured by this medicines, and he will also negotiate the price. So this price is very costly, doctor, can you make a rebated price or the lesser price? So he will be asking like that. And bryonia is one of the important medicine wherein the patient will be having anxiety about the normal daily activities, and he will be always thinking of business. So this is one of the important feature in bryonia. So he will be anxious, he will be having anxiety which is moving towards the panicity. Due to that reason, he will be always worried about his business, and he will be always worried about the loss if he goes into. So what he want to do is he want to make the negotiation and keep the things with him. Due to that reason, this bryonia will be having constipation. Constipation is one of the features whoever bargains and whoever is greedy and whoever wants to hold the things towards themselves. So this bryonia is one of the important medicine wherein the patient bargains about the service, about the cure, about the disease aspects, and he will want to make sure about the doctor that is it possible that this disease is totally cured by these medicines. And he also want to negotiate the time period of our treatment also. If we advise around 1 month of treatment, they will ask for 15 days, can you cure it? If they will ask for, is it possible to cure in only 1 week? So this is all the aspects wherein bryonia will be asking. And now coming to the pulsatilla patient. Pulsatilla, as you know, it has it is an anti-soric medicine, and this pulsatilla people are more intelligent. These people are basically background with anti-sora. Sora is very strongly in their miasmatic background. Due to that reason, the greediness is always be there, avarice is always be there, and with that they will have a quality of negotiation. These people are very soft-hearted, and they will be questioning very mildly, and they will be making the physician feel so good, and they want the concession of the physician's services and the medicine concession, so that they want to take you in a very smooth and very talkative way, and they will convince you that these medicines are really very, very cheap, and can you make a discount for me, and I am not much affordable. They will be talking so much of things and make the physician understand that they must come to the lesser price. They will negotiate in their own way. So that is one of the important feature with pulsatilla patient. Pulsatilla patient is very greedy, and pulsatilla patient is having this bargaining quality, best quality. They will negotiate with all the people. Pulsatilla bargains with the person whoever they come across. And another thing with pulsatilla is a very sensitive patient. Due to that reason, they will be having a much fear, much panic in their mind, and they want to have the stability in their life. Due to that reason, they will be having this bargaining quality in their personality, because they will be always in a like fear, so that they will be uprooted. So in their life they will be having uprooting situation, because they are dependent on themselves only. And this pulsatilla group of people are always fragile. They are worried about the tomorrow. They have a fear of misfortune is very, very strong in pulsatilla. With that, this bargaining is one of the important feature. Greediness, avarice is one of the important feature. So they negotiate with a physician with a very mild and very respectful way. This bargaining is one of the important feature in pulsatilla friends. And another one which is a very important medicine, that is Cilicia. Cilicia, basically the background of the miasmatic background is cancerous miasm. In Cilicia, all the three miasms are dominating, all the three miasms are in equal strength. So this Cilicia will also be having this bargaining quality, because it is a follow well medicine and a complement medicine for pulsatilla. So Cilicia people are also having this greediness and also bargaining quality. They negotiate with the physician. And this Cilicia, as you know, sand, the medicine which is prepared by sand. So this sand in itself has the quality of giving birth to so many things. And this Cilicia is one of the important medicine wherever there is a lack of stamina. This lack of stamina comes because of the lack of this Cilicia, lack of mud, lack of these minerals and these things in the body. Due to that reason, they will be bargaining and making the things hold for themselves. Cilicia is one of the important medicine for this bargaining quality. They have a bargaining quality in themselves. And another one important medicine is sulfur. As you know, sulfur is more keen observing, he is more scientific oriented, and sulfur is lazy person, sulfur is antisoric people, and sulfur has a greediness, and he is very intelligent, and he is fast moving, and he is so much of aware of the worldly things, so that he will be cross questioning. He will be having so much of questions about a subject, and in that way he will be making and pushing the doctor to make the price lesser, and he will be asking 101 questions simply because not because he is intelligent and he want to know the things. No, it is his quality to ask questions, and if you give the answer, he will be not satisfied. He will be coming up with another question, simply because his total mindset wants to know the depth of the roots of the things, and he is not much interested in your answers. He will be much interested in his own questions. So he will be raising many questions to make the physician, and he will bargain, and he will negotiate with the price, treatment, and many of the aspects. So these are all the qualities which are found in these four medicines, and bargaining is one of the important feature. If you come across any patient having these qualities, think of these four medicines, friends, and these four medicines are very wonderfully acting if it is matching to that patient. And if you compromise with your fees also, nothing to worry, because if the patient is cured once, then he will come again, and he will come with another patient to make sure that he is also cured. And these people are well aware of the medical system, because there is one rubric in this synthetic repertory, mania to read medical books. Mania to read medical books is mainly focused on this pulsatilla and sulfur are the people who are having mania to read medical books. There are another 3-4 medicines which have the mania to read medical books. I'll be taking some other day about mania to read medical books rubric. Today I wanted to talk about this bargaining quality of these four medicines, friends. So this bargaining is one of the important identifying quality in these four medicines. If you like this this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you have any medical friends and graduates, please share this video to them. Like, share and subscribe our channel. In future I will be doing such a videos. Thank you and take care friends. Bye.